On policy and legislation, the stakeholders, together with the Media Council of Kenya, are currently reviewing the accreditation guidelines, the accreditation of training colleges and lecturers, college inspection and accreditation, and harmonizing the training of journalists in Kenya. The media industry is also keen to ensure that the Media Council Act 2013 and the Kenya Information and Communication Amendment Act are amended to facilitate and align them with the provisions of the Constitution.
Media freedom is provided for in our Constitution. Many times people think that it's a privilege for journalists, but the fact of the matter is that media freedom is for the public, and journalists only exercise it in trust for public.
Most times you'll realize that the government agenda and the media agenda will be completely different, because the media is playing a watchdog role. And playing that watchdog role, the person you are oversighting over will always want to resist and come up with different ways of stopping you from doing that.